Hello pizza lovers, this is Kasim Roger. Today I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant quality pizza at home. After finishing my school, I spent many years studying and working in a pizza environment where I've managed and made literally thousands of pizzas on a weekly basis. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the techniques how to make even better than restaurant quality pizza at home. Okay, remove the dough patty from the bowl. Coat both sides with destinator or semolina flour. Interlock fingertips to the edge to create a half-inch border. Press down and pull back, rotate and repeat. Fingertips to the border's edge. One hand pulls, the other is stationary. Dough slides under stationary hand. Keep stretching until the 75% of final size. Dock the skin by using needle docker to kill bubbles. You can also use a comb or fork as an alternative. Extend hands, fingers together, skin over palm, edge to fingertips. Transfer dough to other hand, rotate quarter turn and keep repeating until its final size. Gently place on pizza screen. Your dough skin is ready to go. It's 14 inches. Apply 1 spoonful or 6 ounces of pizza sauce on the dough skin. Keep an inch sauce border. Apply your favorite ingredients onto it. I'm making chicken foam pizza. Topping level and distribution is very important. Put 1 cup of boneless boiled crumbled chicken onto pizza skin. Quarter cup of an inch long sliced fresh green peppers. Quarter cup of fresh sliced an inch long white onions. A cup of fresh baby portobello mushrooms. Quarter cup of chopped fresh tomatoes. 2 cups of 100% mozzarella cheese. Spread 1 cup around the edge. And second cup of cheese goes in the middle. Clean the edges to make a better look pizza. Now your delicious pizza is ready to go in the oven. Place your pizza in the oven with oven peel for about 6 to 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until edges color become brown. I am a pizza. I am a pizza with Wow, your restaurant quality pizza is ready to enjoy and share. Cut it into 8 slices. So you need 4 cuts basically to make 8 slices. One in the middle, one as a plus, and then 2 cross. That makes 8 slices.